Here again, Kenneth Timoll from Kenneth Racing. What can I say? It's been an overwhelming day, overwhelming weekend, to be honest. We had 134 competitors out here this weekend, and to be honest with you, we had to turn back a few at the gate who came a little bit late this morning for registration. It was a huge turnout of both spectators and racers, and trust me, the competition was next to none. We executed the job today very well. Things were on time. The organization kept up to par, and we're just forever grateful for the support from everybody, from the media to the fans, to the racers, to the well-wishers, to the vendors, the security, everybody who just came and made this event a success. As you can see, it's the end of our second event, and we didn't expect this amount of growth since January, but it is the reality we are now facing, and if it continues to grow like this, then for July 7th we're expecting things to be even bigger and better. So don't miss out on any of this. You know, 876 Streets did an excellent job in promoting and marketing this event, where we are building a brand for not just our Kenneth Racing solutions for drag racing, but racers are now building a name and building a vibe, and racers are now being introduced to the world that they've been entertaining for a very long time. So just continue to work with us as we continue to build this great sport. As we've proven, it is still a great sport. So don't give up on drag racing, because it's going nowhere, and we'll continue to deliver excellent competition and racing here at Jamwest Speedway in Westmoreland. So from the Kenneth Racing team, I'd just like to thank you once more for the support and for all the love and positive feedback we've gotten from the spectators and racers today, and we'll continue to deliver great, coverage through 876 for future events. So stay tuned, and we can't say enough thank you again. 876 Streets, big up.